Hello everyone. Now, quickly have my lunch at my parents' house. I was absolutely munching on some fries when I was driving home. I got spicy chicken sandwich from Wendy's. That's the only thing that I get, to be honest. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it's the only thing I get. With some Coca-Cola, some small cup of chili. Honestly, to be completely honest, I feel like it used to be a lot better because now the chickens are so thin. It used to be a lot thicker and super juicy, but all good. I feel like every time I come to my parents' house, I'm always stealing something. I gotta go get more. I had to come get more mask for Tone because he works with a lot of people and he's trying to be very careful. My chili is hot as F. Yeah, definitely used to be better. I guess it used to taste more fresh. So I'm taking a quick break from putting makeup. I felt like putting makeup on made me like really want to get out and like get up and do something during the day instead of just like laying around not doing anything. But I've been taking a break from it. My face, I thought my dryness, it did get a little better, but I thought it would be completely gone because I'm already at 16 weeks, so that's what I was hoping, but it's not. So I'm just gonna take a break from makeup and let it completely heal or let it kind of just eventually like go away. If I go like 4 hours without putting another layer of lotion, it flakes up like crazy. Like I do not want to look in the mirror. Like I hate it so much. Like my skin looks so dry. That oily plumpness is not there. And it sucks because I heard that if you try to use face cream with retinol or salicylic acid, it could transfer to your placenta. So I can't do that shit either. This is my first burger and fries of the week. I think once or maybe twice a week is enough for me. It's definitely more than before, like when I wasn't pregnant. I mean, I love fast food, but you know, one of the reasons why I got it is because it's fast food and I didn't really have to cook anything. It was just it was more of an easy route. Now I'm actually really craving sandwiches. Like I really want that Big John sandwich from Jimmy John's, but if I bring it home and heat it up, it doesn't taste the same, so I can't wait. So I actually don't crave sushi as much as I thought I would. I do crave it here and there, but I always did. Few people told me that once you are safe in second trimester, it's okay to have it sometimes. I don't know. I haven't, and I don't think I will. But I want to know if anybody that was pregnant ever had raw sushi. Because I know that it's a really high risk that you're taking. But that doesn't mean that you'll get something or you'll be ill just because you have sushi. no. There's a rabbit stuck here. I don't know how they get stuck. I thought they never get stuck. Come here, rabbit. See, he's right there. I think he's stuck. Oh, see? Good job. I think he was stuck because he was afraid of Ame because Ame was running in the yard. But I was like, I thought rabbits are supposed to jump high. Why couldn't they get up? Because I was going to help like take the fence down or something, but this is good now. Everything you do is annoying.
그러니까 너 어떡해? 어?
카레 안 죽여?
나 닮은 아이 나와라.
You're touching like my boob and...
응? 나 닮은 아이 나와서.
You?
응. 엄마 괴롭혀 계속.
가게에서 카레 안 먹어?
응?
가게에서 카레 안 먹어? 왜?
Was too available and.
You're sick of it?
Yeah. 맞아.
You know? Hello everyone. I have nothing to eat at home, so I decided to make some ramen. So this one is kind of a mild flavor, and I really didn't want a mild one, so I put a bunch of pepper flakes in here. And I had to cook the noodles extra long because I did add some eggs and I needed the yolk to cook completely, so it's a little bit soggy, but it's okay. No, I did not think that I will feel this guilty eating ramen. I think I do a pretty bad job. I mean, like this like soup noodle, I don't eat it that often, but sometimes I do eat the black bean one, and yeah, I feel really guilty about it. But whatever. I mean, I eat hamburger, same thing, right? I don't know which one's worse actually, but it's funny because people that I know who is either pregnant with the second one or they already have multiple kids, they told me that yeah, the first one was like always like you're really cautious and careful, but towards like second and third, like you just don't give a shit, you just eat whatever. But I feel like for me, I'm just maybe my just appetite, or maybe, I don't know, I'm just not that cautious as I should be. I feel like. But the taste pretty good. I haven't had it in a while. Also, so I recently found full episodes of one of my favorite Korean drama. It's very old. It came out in 2000, and they have multiple series. It's called 학교 or School, and as far as I know, a lot of big celebrities in Korea they debuted through this first. So well, that's not why I watch it, but it's just like a nostalgic thing, like memory lane. So I'm doing binge watching today. As you guys can tell, I'm in my bed and I'm not going anywhere.
줄 알고 막 화나고. 저러면서 권위의식.
아마 고등학교 선배나 뭐 그런 걸로 만났다면
선생님으로서의 권위가 저 큰일 났어요. 애들이 그냥 무시무시 비워요. 그래, 비울 거야.
힘내시고 파이팅.
Oh, I wanted so bad. Like a delivery, I got a few ice cream. I ate one drumstick and this is my second one. Oh, today's such a bad day, but I'm gonna eat this and take a nap.
근데 그게 그 자식이 워낙 성격이 더러워서 여자 싶은 놈은 절대 다시 안 보거든.
피곤하다 공 가진 건데 뭐. 양호실 같이 가줄게. 내가 됐어. 피곤하다 그럴 수도 있는 거지.